Peanut butter. Let's do it at home so you know really the ingredients. You are going to look for the recipe, but it's very simple. You are going to add 300 grams of peanut butter, of peanuts. It can be the salted one, and you're only going to close the machine, and it's going to be set up 40 seconds, no temperature, and speed 5. Here is after 40 seconds, and I'm going to add a little of peanut oil, only 20 grams. Remember that the machine is going to wait for you, and we are going to one more time add. If you want in that moment, you can add a little salt or even a little honey. If it's okay with you, I'm going to leave it like this, and it's going to be 20 seconds. Speed is like 7. So I'm going to put down one more time all the peanut butter that we have so far. I'm going to process it, close, and automatically it's going to set up 1 minute, speed 8. It's ready. So look, it's amazing. I love it. Look, the texture, and you only have peanuts and peanut oil. So let's try. Look the texture, and please enjoy with an apple, with bread, with bananas, etc. See you